In this video, I'll show you my solution on how to calculate the average of this column. And that's my solution. So I am establishing a connection to my Google Sheets account, creating a spreadsheet, creating a worksheet, and then getting the existing column. So that column, and you know that the column will come as a list of lists, so we have to flatten that list. I do that in this part here. So I extract the items from each list and convert them into a float, so I have a plain list of floats. And then I calculate the average finally in here by just putting that existing column as input to the mean function and then place that final value into the G26 cell. So I run this now, I go back here and I see the value placed in this G26 column. That's the average. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.